How to fade audio in and out in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a video that I'm gonna be showing this on. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you're in the edit mode right here, because that is the only mode where this can work. And you wanna grab this top corner of the audio and just drag it on like this. Now I'm gonna show you how it sounds like without the fade in. And this is with the fade in. Now let's do this on this side as well. So this is the fade out. And there you go. Now, if you're not using Davinci Resolve 18 and you're using the 17, go to audio transitions and then just select crossfade and place it on top of the audio. Now you can make it longer like this. And there you go. And there you go. That's how to fade in and out audio in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.